How to use VPN on Mac without software for free. You can set up a VPN on a Mac without using third-party software by configuring it manually. There is a built-in VPN client in macOS. First of all, tap on the Apple icon available at the top left corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu tap on the System Settings. Once inside the System Settings, on the left-hand side panel, look for the VPN option available there and simply tap on it. Now, first you need to find a free VPN service. Some popular free VPNs with manual configuration option include ProtoVPN, Windscribe, and Hide.me. You can simply tap on the Add Configuration option available there. Now, after signing up with a free VPN provider, you will need to add details such as VPN server address, VPN type, username and password. And after done so, you can simply tap on the Done option available there. If your VPN provider has specific instructions for DNS settings, split tunneling or other advanced option, you can configure those here. Now, to connect, simply click connect, and once connected, the status should show as connected. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.